So the technique we're going to work on now is the outside chop. Okay, so it can come from your front or your rear hand. We're going to work on it from the rear hand. Okay, so basically what's happening is here I'm moving from my center again. You can hear that every time. Your center is making all techniques happen. So as I'm moving from my center, it's just coming out to the neck. And I don't want to go like the movies and do like a big outside, okay? It's just coming from my guard up, rotating my center, and then my feet are pivoting. Okay? So again, right from my guard position, rotating over. This is just the same motion we're doing on all our techniques, except this one follows the line, your hips follow the line of the chop, okay? This is the application and the target of the technique. So we can go from the front, we can go from the back. We're just going to keep focusing on from the back hand. So what's happening is it's coming straight out and hitting right into the neck area, this target here, okay? Now even if he guards, it still sneaks through. Notice how this is pushing the arm down because of the target, okay? Again, this is street only, very dangerous. Because if we're here and we feint, boom, okay? This here, extremely powerful, okay? And it's just hitting the one spot. It's targeting either artery, okay? So when we're here, just bring it right from the guard, boom. Okay, and if he brings the guard up a little more, even, it still sneaks. So that's kind of the advantage of this technique, is it sneaks around the guard, okay? So really practice this technique and be aware that this is extremely dangerous, so be really careful.
No surprise attack today.
Ooh!